What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy S.Craft Blends back again with another barber tutorial, and today I just want to do something kind of an experiment. As you know, watching other videos where I do the detachable blade videos, I always start off with a certain blade and then I skip a blade to the next blade and then I come back down and fade that out. So I just want to try it with my clippers. I've actually never tried it this way in all of my years of cutting hair. This isn't going to be a whole tutorial video. It's just going to go ahead and just show you kind of, see if it works. Maybe something else that you can give a try. So I went ahead and started with my blade closed, giving that initial guideline. The reason I started with my blade closed instead of with the trimmer is just because it's a little bit longer than the trimmer, so that way at the end I can just bring the trimmer right on up and shave out the bottom hair and just kind of flick right into that zero closed. Now I'm opening up the blade all the way, going up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. He has really difficult hair actually to cut. Not only is it kind of thick and coarse, but there's darker spots and lighter spots in his hair, so it's a little challenging. However, we make it work. So now I'm going with the number 1 open, and I'm going up about another inch. So there again, I skipped my zero guard. So I went blade open and then a number 1 open. Now I'm going to go a number 2 open. I might close it as well, but I just taking it right up in the ridge area, kind of, floating it into the top there. But as you can see, because we skipped those different portions of the hair, you can see that it leaves a distinct line, and that's where we're going to come back with on the way down and hit the guards that we skipped, just to blend that in a little bit. It actually works pretty well. Once again, his haircut's a little challenging, but I tried it and I feel like it works good with the clippers and guards as well as the detachable blades. So once we knock that 2, now I'm jumping down to the 1.5. I believe I have it closed. So we're just going to go ahead and do that 1.5 closed, start knocking out that line, and as you can see, it's blended together pretty well. Not a whole lot of effort into it. And as you know, I usually go around really quick and I lay a foundation and then I come back in later and do the detail work. I'm not going to show you all the detail work or the finished product. I'm just going to kind of show you, how easy it was to really get that good foundation that I could work from, even with his hair being more difficult. It worked out pretty well. So now I'm going to jump down to that zero guard open, and I'm just going to start tapping at that line, and then I'll close it, just as I see fit. But just working on that line there, and obviously once I do that, I'll jump back down, not with a totally closed guard, but probably a half closed. So half open, half closed blade with no guard on it to knock out that bottom line. And I'll go a little bit above that bottom line and then close it slowly as I knock that bottom line out. But there again, right now we just have that one open, 1 closed, or 0 open, 0 closed, back and forth on that line right there, just trying to work that out. And as you can see, I wanted the fade to be a little tighter but lower, so that's why I created my first initial guideline a little bit lower, so that way whenever I line them up, I can keep the C cup, make it look like it's a good stretch fade. So if you guys try out any new ideas, man, put it in the comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. There again, this ain't the greatest video quality in the world. I shot it on my iPhone. It just was something I thought about, so I was like, you know what, I really would like to just see if this works. Might as well record it while I'm doing it for you guys and just see how well it worked. There again, I was pretty pleased with it. Come in at the end and do all the detail work before I finish them up. However, felt like it worked out pretty good. You guys tell me what you think. Now to start chipping away at that bottom line. Once again, it's not fully closed at the moment. It's kind of about halfway open, half closed. and then I'll slowly work my way down towards the line and start knocking that line out. As you can see, his hair is, like I said, it's really coarse, thick hair, but it's also, you know, a little spotty, so it's not the easiest to blend. So it takes me a lot of time to detail. That's why I didn't even worry about, you know, doing all that. But now you can see, after I lined him up and cleaned up his beard, now I'm going to go in, and this is where I do all my detail work. There again, didn't record all that for you guys, but just kind of showing you that it did lay a good foundation, especially to go in and clean up. So there again, if this is maybe something that you do on a regular basis, it was my first time trying it, but let me know. Also, if you tried it and didn't like it, hey, let me know. But I'm just trying to give different options for different people, because I know that everybody has their own special way that feels right to them, and maybe this is one for you. Hey, there again, God bless you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.